Morning guys, Bank Holiday Monday here at Unity Beach. Great one to show you. We have a Pemberton Rivington on a great plot, on a nice quiet part of this park. Generous plot, huge decking. This is a great size van, it's 40 feet by 12 feet. Let's get you inside. The size of this deck, it's huge. And straight in to the kitchen, open plan. Nice dining area, bags of space in this, bags of space. We have got integrated appliances, dishwasher of course. There's our full-size fridge and freezer. So 2 bedrooms, 6 pull-up bed just there underneath. Sliding patio doors on the front and out. The sunset's right there. There we are. I mean, look at the size of this deck. This is screaming, table and chairs, barbecue, entertaining, or just relaxing on a sun lounger, enjoying a bit of peace and quiet. And back in again. So let's go down to the living accommodation. Our first bedroom is a twin. And you can see loads of fitted wardrobes and storage spaces in there. There's our wardrobe. First of 2 bathrooms. There's the main shower. Again, bags of storage. And into the master. Of course, we're centrally heated and double glazed. Of course, the site fees are going to be included for the rest of 2025. Big master bedroom, massive utility area. Yes, of course, it's got ensuite, but the secret it's hiding is that the ensuite has a full bathroom with bath. There we are. And the wardrobe, well, yeah, it's a wardrobe, but it's huge. It's walk-in, drawers, hanging space. It's absolutely massive, guys. So you are just close enough to all of the entertainment, to the main reception, but just far enough away to be in a really peaceful, secluded spot. You can use the pool, the golf club, you can use the entertainment venues, sauna and steam, you can use the gym, the list goes on and on. We are now in full flow for the season. Give me a call, guys, 07 973 620 351. This really is a great van. 2019, immaculate. It's in great condition, guys. Give me a call. Come and see us. Understand why many people are joining us this year. So much going on and so many plans for upgrades over the winter and next year. There's lots to be grateful for. And one of those things is being in Somerset. So thanks, guys. We'll be in touch very soon with more details, but give me a call, 07973 620 351. Enjoy the rest of your bank holiday.